Hey everyone, welcome to Sam Trading Strategies. Are you looking for a simple yet highly effective binary options trading strategy? If yes, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to share a super simple yet powerful trading strategy using just two moving averages. This strategy helps traders make better and more accurate decisions in almost all market conditions. Before we dive in, remember that binary options trading involves risk. You can lose money, and past performance does not guarantee future results. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and only use money you can afford to lose. Do your own research before making any trades. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any new strategy updates. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you. This strategy is based on two moving averages with periods of 5 and 10. Let's go step by step. Now, let's go over the trading rules. Buy trade. When the blue moving average crosses above the red moving average and moves completely upward, enter a buy trade on the next candle. Sell trade. When the red moving average crosses above the blue moving average and moves completely upward, enter a sell trade on the next candle. Time frame. Use the 1-minute chart. Trade expiry. Set expiry time to 2 minutes. Avoid flat markets. Don't trade in low volatility conditions. Avoid news release time. High impact news can cause unexpected market movements. Best trading sessions. Trade during the European and New York sessions for better market trends. Before using this strategy in a real account, practice on a demo account first. This will help you understand how it works and gain confidence before investing real money. Check the description box for more details and indicator settings. Many new traders jump from one strategy to another, searching for the perfect one that always wins. The truth, there is no perfect strategy. Every strategy has its strengths and weaknesses. The key to consistent profits is mastering one strategy. Instead of trying 1,000 strategies, focus on trading one setup thousands of times. This is the real secret to becoming a profitable trader. Now, let's jump into some live trades where I'll show you exactly how I use this strategy in real market conditions. Stay with me. I'll explain every trade step by step so you can follow along easily. Don't skip ahead. Every tip I share will help you improve your trading skills. Ready? Let's dive into the trades. Here, we see the red moving average crossing above the blue moving average and moving upward. But wait, I wouldn't call this a perfect sell trade because the support level is too close. The price movement is flat. Remember, when the market is not moving properly, it's better to avoid such trade setups to reduce unnecessary risks. I have taken this sell trade as an example only to show you which trades to avoid. Learning when not to trade is just as important as learning when to trade. So let's watch and see whether this trade results in a profit or a loss. Friends, this trade ended in a loss. But wait, on the last movement, we managed to win the trade. Now that we've analyzed this trade, let's move on and look for the next high-quality trade setup that meets all our strategy rules. Here, we see the blue moving average crossing above the red moving average and moving upward. But wait, I wouldn't call this a perfect buy trade because the resistance level is too close. The price could reverse at any moment. Always avoid trade setups where the price is too close to support or resistance levels. These areas can cause sudden reversals, making the trade risky. I took this buy trade only as an example to show you which trades to avoid. Learning to filter out weak setups is a key skill for successful trading. Now let's watch and find out whether this trade results in a win or a loss. Good news! We won this trade. The trade was placed at a correct position, which helped us secure the win. But remember, if the entry had been even slightly off, this trade could have been a loss. This is why choosing high-quality trade setups is important. Now that we've reviewed this trade, let's move forward and look for a strong, high-probability trade setup that aligns perfectly with our strategy rules. Here, we see the blue moving average crossing above the red moving average and moving upward. The market looks flat at first, but let's analyze the last 3 candles. 2 large bullish candles indicate strong buying pressure. One small bearish candle shows that sellers tried to push the price down but failed. What does this tell us? Buyers have entered the market strongly. This means the sideways market is likely to turn into an uptrend. Now that we've entered this trade, let's watch and see if it results in a profit or loss. Look at the chart now. After we entered the trade, the market moved strongly in a bullish direction. The price is following our analysis perfectly. We have won this trade. This is why understanding price action is so important. Instead of just relying on indicators, we also need to read the market structure and candle patterns. Now, let's continue searching for the next high-quality trade opportunity. According to our strategy, this is a perfect sell trade setup. Here's why. The blue moving average crosses above the red moving average and moves completely upward. The market structure confirms that a reversal or pullback is likely. The price is in a good position to enter a sell trade based on our rules. Now, let's see what happens next. We've entered the trade, and now it's time to watch the price movement closely. Will the market follow our strategy and move in our favor? Or will the price break the pattern and move against us? This is why risk management is so important. Even when we take high probability setups, we must always be prepared for any outcome. Let's wait and see how this trade plays out. And there it is, a successful trade. We've covered a lot today, and I hope you've gained valuable insights from this strategy. If anything is unclear, go back and rewatch the explanation of the perfect setup. Understanding every detail is crucial for long-term success in trading. Support the channel. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more powerful strategies and live trades. Share this with other traders who might benefit. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Remember, consistency is key. Practice this strategy on a demo account and stick to the rules for better results. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy trading.